Tata Motors has been planning to launch an updated iteration of Nexon EV with more power and an extended range on 11th of May. The upcoming long-range Nexon EV will be called a Nexon EV Max. The Nexon EV Max will get a bigger 40 kWh battery pack. To accommodate the larger battery pack, the Nexon's floor plan has been modified. The larger battery pack is also expected to eat part of the boot space at rear. This battery should offer a maximum range of around 400 km on a single charge, thus providing a real-world range more than 300 km. Nexon's current 30.2 kWh battery pack gets real-world range of 200 to 220 km. A larger battery pack means the Nexon EV Max will be heavier by around 100 kg. So, the SUV should get tuned suspension settings to cope with additional weight, without compromising ride comfort and handling. Additionally, the motor could also have more power and torque, expecting to produce 136 PS, which is a decent 7 PS more than the current 129 PS Ziptron motor. For effective stopping with added weight and more power, the new Nexon EV Max gets all-wheel disc brakes. The SUV will also get more features on offer. A recent teaser video reveals new center console. The new illuminated gear selector with knurled chrome surrounds looks futuristic yet premium. Gets electronic parking brake with auto hold, indicating the presence of hill hold feature. It also has adjustable regenerative braking levels. Further, it is also expected to witness some feature additions like auto-dimming IRVM, ventilated front seats, an air purifier and cruise control. But the infotainment screen is still the 7-inch unit, which is a disappointment. Continues offering connected car tech, an electric sunroof, a semi-digital instrument cluster and automatic climate control. Safety will be enhanced with electronic stability control. Tata will offer new and more powerful 6.6 kW AC charger as an option, which should reduce the 10 hours charging time with the current 3.3 kW charger. The Nexon EV Max will cost around 3 to 4 lakh more than the standard range top-spec variant. Tata Motors will continue to offer the current model alongside the Nexon EV Max, to give buyers more choice and offer a wider range of variants in the Nexon EV lineup. Thanks for watching.